Are your operations running smoothly and then all of a sudden out of nowhere your labels start looking like this? You got lines running through them, the quality doesn't look right, the alignment's all kind of misaligned. So you might go to YouTube or the internet, spend maybe a half hour or an hour trying to figure out what's going on. You might replace a printhead, you might replace a platen roller, but no matter what you do, you can't get the thing to print again. So you pack it up, you put it in your back shelf, and then contemplate possibly replacing it. Well, the truth is all of these issues are very common and very fixable and are much cheaper than replacement. So the next time you hear some loud gears or some weird motor noises going on in your printer, reach out to Liberty Systems. We are certified to repair all major Zebra printers from the ZT610, ZT411, the ZT410, the ZT421, all the way down to your ZD421s, your 621s, and even the mobile ZQ630s. We even repair SOTO, TSC, and Printronix printers as well. So the next time you have an issue that comes up with your labels or just your label printer, reach out to Liberty Systems rather than spending hours on YouTube. We will help you figure out what's going on with it. We'll get it fixed fast, we'll get it fixed right, and we'll get it back into production for you.